Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the latest Plants vs. Brainrots update, which is the Sprout Studies update. So basically, you'll need to give your seed to Urana Scienceato. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just going to give, for instance, the tometry one. Okay, so basically, it will take 5 minutes, but it's going to grow your seed, I think, and it's going to give it like a mutation. Here's the experiment chances: Abomination, Corruption, Amped Up, Diamond, Frozen, and Neon. And then if you like submit like 25 seeds, you'll get this Brainrot, this gear, and this seed. And that's pretty much it, really. I will be right back once the seed is done, like being experimented on. And yeah. And I got an Abomination tomato, which is expected. It's at 85%. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it has fully grown. And this is a really good chance to really mutate your plants if you're too lazy to use like the witch potion or wait for like weather. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!